Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be going through this purple smoky eye tutorial. I use like 3 shades of different purples, some pinks, and I use 2 different glitters that I'll be going through and showing you guys. This is like a fast forwarded video, and I'll be doing a talk through because my son, you can hear him in the background, so I decided that I'm just going to do a talk over video. So this is the look that we did that you guys can do with me. But yeah, you can see the glitter and everything. And then I found a highlight that I absolutely loved and I completely forgot about it. And that is just so pretty. And I already had highlight on before, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to put it on. So you can see here's what the glitter would look like if you like really piled it on. Right here, it's really nice. So yeah, we're gonna be going through how to get this look, and I think it looks best with like green eyes and brown eyes. Anyone can wear it. Blue eyes would look cool too, but this is what I love to use, is purples and some pinks with my eyes because it really makes it pop. So I hope you guys like it, and if you guys do, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave comments below as to what you guys want to see. I try to make it as quick as possible. I used to love taking my time doing my makeup. Like, I used to do my hair and makeup in like 2 hours. Now I have my son, so I do not have that time. So I've been trying to cut things in half where I can get the same exact look, but quicker. So that's what I'm going to try to do for you guys. And yeah, so if you guys like it, like I said, subscribe, like the video, leave comments below, let me know what you guys think, and I appreciate all the support that I've gotten so far.
Alright, here we go guys. So we're going to start off, and we are going to put this light color pink right there that I just pointed to in our crease, and we're just going to blend that out. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just going to be our transition shade. Alright, so now we're grabbing a cream shadow, and we're going to go in with this. This is the Eggplant Purple Shadow. It's by Unique. Their Splurge Cream. It's called Rapturous. It's a matte eggplant purple. It's really great. I first went in with a brush, but then I realized it wasn't working. So we're going to go in with my finger, and we're just going to put this all over the lid. And you do not have to be precise with this. It just needs to cover the lid. Don't worry about the edges. We're going to blend that out. Alright, so now we're going in with this fuchsia purple color. It's a shade that has a little bit more pinks in it, and it is a purple. And we're going to take our crease brush, and we're just going to put that all over the crease, and we're just going to blend those 2 shades together so the edges are smooth, where you put that cream shadow down. Now, you don't have to use the loose pigment. You can use any purple shade that you want that has a little bit of more of a pink fuchsia color in there. And we're just going to blend, and we're also going to put that in our outer V also. Now with any purple shadow you have, this one is by CoverGirl, we're just going to take a flat top and lightly press that into wherever we had that cream shadow laid down. And this is the closest color I could get. It's more of a satin, so it adds, oh my goodness, it is adding a little bit of a shimmer to it. We're going to go in with Black Market and the other purple shade, I can't remember what it's called right now, it's in the Smoky palette. And this is just a satin purple and a satin black, and we're just going to darken up that outer V a little bit. Like I said, guys, you don't have to use the same exact stuff I'm using. You can do whatever you like, whatever products you like. Now with the clean brush, I'm just going to hit the corners again, and we're just going to blend it all out and make sure everything is just blending pretty smoothly. Now with the Wet n Wild Color Icon highlighter, it's like a more pale pink highlighter. I'm going to wet my little flat top brush. I'm going to put this in my inner corner and I'm going to put it just on the center of my eyes. That's going to bring the light in. Instead of it just being just so dark right there, it's just going to have just enough brightness, as you can see right here, and it's just going to have the light hit it perfectly. So I'm just going to lightly put that on there. Now this liquid sparkler it's called, but it's like a liquid glitter. It has an iridescent look to it. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. This is by Hard Candy. You can get them at Walmart. This is in the shade Aurora. And I'm putting this all over the center of my lid and inner corner and working a little bit out towards the outer corner, but not all the way. As you can see, it kind of shifts to the color that's underneath there. So you can even put a blue underneath and it'll shift to more of a blue. And this is a pretty dense glitter, but it's so light on the eyes. I'm still wearing it now and I cannot feel it. Now this glitter is by Wet n Wild. It is a gel-like formula and it's thicker pieces, so it's not going to cover like the last one, but I just wanted a few more hints of chunks, and this is a pink chunk. So I'm just going to put that on my lid the same way, just to add a little bit more sparkle. And then I'm going to take a brush in that highlighter by Wet n Wild also, and I'm just going to dab that on my eyes just to set that gel in place because it will move a little bit. Now with the smudger brush that we've been using the whole entire time to go in the crease of the purples and blacks, I'm just going to put that all over the lower lash line just to give it that smoky effect. Now with the liquid liner, this one's by Physicians Formula. It's my all-time favorite liquid liner. It goes over everything so easily and you don't have to build up the coverage. So I'm just going to put this, I'm going to wing it out, and I'm just going to put it all the way to the inner corner. Starting at the inner corner being thin and getting it thicker at the end, just like a cat eye. And then I'm also going to put it on my lower lash line going halfway in, as close to the lash line that I can. And then I'm going to take the smudger brush, as you'll see here in a second, and I'm just going to smudge that out really quick. Now for mascara, I'm going to layer on that mascara. This is Big Moniseur by Lancome. It's my favorite mascara ever, and I'm just going to layer it up. And I really want big lashes for this. You can wear falsies, but I didn't have time to wear falsies today. Also, I'm just sitting at home, so I'm just going to layer up the mascara. Also, before this, you see me, I just took a clean blending brush and I just cleaned up those edges, just blended them out really quick. I didn't have any other type of product on there. So I'm just going to layer that up, and don't forget to get some dark lower lashes too. That will bring the look together. Now I'm going to take that highlighter again, the same one, and a brush. I'm going to put that in my inner corner one more time and also on my brow bone to really just bring the highlight in. I'm also going to take my highlighting brush and I'm going to put it on my cheeks because I already have a highlighter on, but I wanted just a more wet glow from within look, and oh, they're so perfect. I would suggest getting a Wet n Wild highlighter. They are amazing. There's no glitter in this one. It's just that glow from within. Now for liquid lips, I went in with a Wet n Wild liquid lipstick at first, but it was way too pale for me, not dark enough, so I went in with the Jessie's Girl liquid lipstick, which you can get at Rite Aid, and I went in with their more darker pink, and I just mixed the two together. I did a lip liner with the darker color and then put the lighter color in the center. Alright guys, so this is a finished look once you see it. I'm done putting my lipstick on. But I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching. Leave me comments below of any questions that you have. Bye guys.